Good morning. Today we're going to take a look at new stuff that just arrived from Foxeer. First up is the Foxeer Micro Lollipop. So it comes in this box with two antennas. So this one has a UFL connector, but there's also SMA, RPSMA, and MMCX. This is an omnidirectional antenna with right-hand circular polarization, which is all that's available at the moment. Let's open it. So it's basically just the antennas inside. So two pieces. Let's bring it up close. And the UFL connector here. It's available in multiple colors: red, black, fluorescent green, and there's also purple, but unfortunately I don't have it. Let's measure it. So it's got a height of 13 millimeters and a diameter of a little bit over 10 millimeters, 10.5. Let's weigh it. Let's turn off the light. And it's 1.6 grams. Next up is the Foxeer Razor Nano. So it's a 1200 TVL camera, and it has a 1/3 CMOS sensor. The ratio of this one is 4:3, but there's also 16:9 available. The lens is 1.8 millimeter and it uses the NTSC system. Input voltage is 4.5 volts to 7 volts. Let's open it. So we have some stickers here. Some wires and screws. And the camera itself. So it has this focus adjustment ring and mounting points. And it also uses this connector. I think it's a Molex Pico blade for VCC, ground, and video in. Let's measure it. So it's 14 millimeters. The mounting is 14 millimeters. And 15 millimeters, which is 1 millimeter larger than the Rancam Nano 2. Let's weigh it. Four grams. Finally, we have the Foxeer Razor Pico. This has the same electronics as the Foxeer Razor Nano. So it also has 1200 TVL and a 1/3 CMOS sensor. And this one uses the NTSC system, although PAL is also available. Input voltage is 3.8 volts to 16 volts. The aspect ratio is 4:3, but there's also 16:9. Let's open it. So we just have the camera. So focusing is locked in. It's glued already. And we have a cable here for VCC, ground, and video in. And again, it's a Molex Pico blade. Let's measure it. It's 12 by 12. Let's weigh it. So it's 2.2 grams. And that's all we have for now. But definitely please subscribe and stay tuned for more new and exciting products. Thank you for watching.